Hi, this is Itier from Pimster International, and in this video, you will learn how to create and distribute a survey on QDMS. Let's get started. I am going to prepare an internal survey, which means it is a survey that will be distributed among employees. In this case, it's going to be an employee satisfaction survey that will be active for a week. The following fields are not required, so I'll skip them. At the end, though, there is an option to make this survey periodic. So for example, if you're hiring many employees, we might want to distribute this survey every 2 months. The next step is where we add the participants. Let's say Kevin will be the only one filling out the survey. Then I'll make my user responsible for this survey and skip the Attachments tab. After saving the survey, I'll be able to add some questions to it. We can add many different types of questions. Rating scale questions, multiple choice questions, dichotomous questions, open-ended questions. I'll start by entering the title of the survey, and then I'll add the first question. We can add the possible answers in the options section and associate a score to each answer. For example, if the employee answers yes to this question, the score will be 5 points. I want every user to answer this question, and I also need them to select just one answer. So I will mark this question as required and select the only one option. I could also add a question where the employees can select multiple answers, just like I'm doing right now. I won't associate a score now, but I will select the more than one option. By the way, the related question section at the bottom allows us to make connections between questions. If I wanted to change the orientation of the answers and have them one below each other, I could select the multi-line option. Now I'm going to create a question where the answers are selected from a drop-down menu. We can play around with the score so that, for example, if we allow the users to select multiple answers, the system will add all of those scores. The last question will be a simple text box so that employees can provide feedback. And I will also add a calendar at the bottom so that they can select the date when they fill out the survey. Now that I have finished the survey itself, I will activate it and publish it. Kevin, the one and only participant in this survey, will be getting a notification via email with a link to open the survey, and he can also access it from the home screen. As you can see, it takes him barely no time to complete it. Now I could go back to my user and take a look at the results. We can see here the distribution of the answers for each question. And since I didn't make the survey anonymous, I can see the answers Kevin provided.